I have to go back to St. Lucia because all of the killing still a go on. Now, the youth are one of the latest victim. The man them rush him in his house. About 20 man to blow out and take him out. The boy them call him menace. Him is a menace to society. But listen to this as we move.
Emergency personnel at the fire service headquarters on Sunday, April 16th were at approximately 1:35 a.m. informed of an alleged shooting incident at Mark in Bexar Castries. The fire officers found a wounded individual appearing to be in his 20s on the scene. A rapid examination of the individual revealed penetrating wounds were present on their body. Emergency intervention was initiated by the crew and rapid transportation to a medical facility was provided. However, on arrival at the OKEU hospital, the patient was pronounced dead by a medical practitioner.
What I realize about St. Lucia is that the man them where they are firing from St. Lucia I send down machine and I try dominate certain area. And St. Lucia, as simple as you see, there is a rich liquor island. Which part of the man them there, them near the Grenadines and certain place, and enough things are going there. But what I didn't realize is that St. Lucia, them have some secrets that hasn't been broadcast to the world, but them have some things are going. It's a dangerous little place. Wanna listen to this?
One of their own fatally shot a retreating unarmed Formager resident in broad daylight in the presence of close friends and relatives. As Constable 879 Gilroy Gaston, attached to the Special Services Unit, discharged a single round.
Missions are going to be done properly. The mistakes of the past will not be repeated.
Was charged for the offense of causing death by gross negligence or recklessness.
No, the killer police boy, him get charged for slap where a youth shoot the man in him back in front of everybody and the residents them rail up. That are just one issue. Yo, may I show you another thing.
Gillen Joseph, a 37-year-old father of two, was executed in a barrage of gunfire as he, along with 16-year-old Kyle Richard and Deepan Joseph, gathered outside this corner shop. Two gunmen unleashed terror on the typically sleepy Boaden community, leaving bodies, bullets, and a wave of bereavement in their wake.
He was a very quiet boy, loving child. Depicting everybody he met. So it's just that his line was down there.
Wanna just hear that? So, wanna see say St. Lucia is a nasty little place. You understand?
It is the 9th day of January 2017, and just after 11 a.m. this morning, homicide number 8 was recorded at Babatat Castries.
27-year-old Urias Anthony alias Outclair was a familiar face to the boys in blue.
Listen very carefully now, you know. Remember, you have the triple murder when I show now. And then I play this. Well, the youth here, the very next day, the man them go for him and full him up or whatnot and turn him over. You understand? And this guy was always on the police radar and he was the suspect in the triple murder when I just show now. Now, wanna see how nasty St. Lucia is? Wanna see how nasty St. Lucia is? Now, I want you to understand. All of the murder them take place in the south part called Viewfort. You have the man them the America, and them a juggle, and them a do them thing, and them a send down the machine them. And then the youth them down there a get corrupt. Now the police them corrupt too. One thing me notice with the man them a St. Lucia and even Trinidad, but me I go say St. Lucia more. It's like, cause Jamaica one thing with we, like, me I telling you something about me, countryman, before me make that statement here. Me no like police. Me no like gangs. Me no like government. You understand? Straight up. But at the same time, me have to do what me have to do. Now, the man them are St. Lucia, me I say it straight up. The man them afraid of blood clot police. All them do a pick pan the man them in them neighborhood. But look how the police boy lick them down. Jamaicans are one thing with we as Jamaicans. If a police disrespect, cause we know we not gonna get no justice, we seek our blood clot justice straight up. You understand? Me respect the police them, but me not like them. And if them did do them job right, me wanna feel a way here. You understand? And that's how I feel. Now back to what me there talk about. St. Lucia is a nasty little place. In a view fort, the war keep on going on. Now, me don't know how they're gonna solve it. Them have a regional so-called task force because the different islands them put together, and Barbados send 10 army man down there and this and that. But really and truly, and I'm speaking this straight, Jamaica need to take the lead because this CARICOM thing doesn't work. And them have some Eastern organization. It's just all bullshit. Cause number one, when the police them leave Barbados and went to St. Lucia, they got to get deputized. The Caribbean should be one. The Caribbean should be one place. I should be able to leave Jamaica, go to Barbados, Trinidad, St. Lucia, anywhere, find a job, work, pay taxes, buy a house, go to school, whatever the case is. So all of this right here, to me, it only bring up the Caribbean to show the policies that these government officials have been doing over the years is a total failure. And all of that lead to the gang and the murder in a view fort. And that's how I feel about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. I am looking for some artists from Trinidad and the other islands them. So there is an open call for some artists to step up. Cause Countryman, I want to produce some artists and produce some different music for Trinidad. You understand? I want to shout out Nelly Katoy from Trinidad, the leading dance hall female artist. We are mash up Trinidad. So Nelly Katoy, big up. You understand? And like me say, more videos coming. My name is Countryman. Peace.